Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader in XAU. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of gold USD in front of us right now, and if you have already taken a short position, then you can be on the trade, and if you are still looking for a fresh entry, then let's try to understand what is going on in the chart of gold USD, then you can take the decision. So let's find out what is going on in the chart of gold USD first. So first and foremost, if you have watched my other videos on gold USD, then you can easily recognize these levels 1750 and 1790, because I have been talking about these two levels for quite some time. So I will not be going in detail today. So 1750 is the support for the market. As you can see that right now, market is trading below the 1790 level. So in case there is a sharp fall in the market, then 1750 will be the level that will act as a support for the market. So 1750 is a support for the market. So you must draw this line in your charting platform. So if you short the market here, or if you have already shorted the market here, then your ultimate target for gold USD is 1750 as of now, because this is the support for the market. Okay. On the other hand, we have got another level 1790. 1790 was the support for the market till yesterday, but right now we can see that 1790 is trading, market is trading below the 1790. Therefore 1790, which was the support for the market, is right now the resistance. The support has become resistance, and you can see that, and you can, if I zoom in, then you can see that right now market is struggling to cross 1790. So this is a confirmation to us that 1790 is the resistance, new resistance for the market right now. Just mind the word new resistance. Therefore in this market, we have a strong support in the form of 1750. This is a strong support, 1750. Okay, then we have a new resistance 1790, and we have a very strong resistance in the form of 1808. 1808 is important because it belongs to the weekly chart. This is the weekly chart of gold USD. If I remove the drawings here, then you can see that we have a resistance, and market is unable to cross the resistance for quite some time. Therefore 1808 is the ultimate or strongest resistance in the gold USD chart right now. So in case market goes up from here, if you find market going up from here, then you will get a good opportunity to short the market at this particular level. So listen to me carefully. So in case market goes up from here and market reverses from 1808 level, that will be a good opportunity to short the market, because 1808 is the strongest resistance on the chart right now. Clear? And on the other hand, if market falls, if there is a sharp fall in the market, then 1750 is the support for the market. Then if market reverses from 1750, you can go for buy. So you can buy at 1750 in case there is a fall, and you can sell gold USD at 1808 level. Okay, these two levels are clear. Now let's discuss about this level, because right now we can see that market is trading between these two lines. So if you have already initiated a sell position, then you can be on the trade, and if you are looking for a fresh entry, then I'll say that yes, you can still initiate a sell position. Yes, because 1790 is the new resistance for the market. Therefore you can initiate a sell position here also. You can initiate a sell position here, and just keep in mind that you should follow proper risk management and do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital, because as we all know, we can just do the analysis part. Rest is not in our hands. In case if a big player or an institutional trader comes in and starts buying in the market, then definitely we will lose the money. Therefore we should always be on the safer side and always follow proper risk management, because our analysis may go wrong also. Okay, therefore if you want to short the market here, you can short the market. Just keep in mind, do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. Okay, and if you short the market, your stop loss will be above this line, above this line. And if you are looking for a more safer stop loss, then your stop loss will be above these candles. Okay, your stop loss will be above these candles at 1798 or 1799. This will be a stop loss, and your first take profit target will be this level, 1774. This will be your first take profit target, and 1750 will be your second take profit target. Okay, 1774 will be your first take profit target, and 1750 will be your first take profit target. And if we go to the forex sentiment meter here, you will find the forex sentiment meter on my website abhilashhazarika.com under forex 101 section. So in the forex sentiment meter, you can see that 60% retail traders have taken long position and 39% retail traders have taken short position. And as we all know, 90%, more than 90% retail traders lose money. So be careful. Okay, be careful. Only trade with proper analysis. Okay, only trade with proper analysis and proper judgment. Do not follow the sentiment of the market, because retail traders sentiment can be dangerous sometimes. Okay, and personally speaking, I always prefer to take a trade against the sentiment of the retail traders. And my dear friends, recently I have launched a pro trader membership program where you can be a part of my analysis for just $15 per month. If you are interested in my analysis, if you want to know more, then you just go to the pro trader tab. You will get detailed information about what is this all about, the pro trader program. Okay, and if you want to learn from me, if you are interested in workshop, then you can just go to the workshop section on my website abhilashhazarika.com. You will get all the details what I'll be teaching you. Okay, if you are interested in learning from me. Okay, that's it. So let's go to the gold USD chart again. So again, I'm saying, if you want to initiate a sell position, yes, you can initiate a sell position, because market is trading below the resistance right now, because 1790 is the new resistance. And just keep in mind that this will be 1744 will be your first take profit target, and this will be your stop loss. And one more reason behind initiating a sell position in gold USD chart is that the chart of DXY. If you have watched my other videos, then you know it pretty well that I always talk about the chart of US dollar, the DXY chart. DXY chart is very much correlated to the gold chart, because if dollar goes up, we see gold going down. If dollar goes down, we see US dollar. Sorry, if dollar goes down, we see gold going up. Right now you can see that US dollar looks bullish, and it is just standing at a support level on the trend line. In case it starts going up from here, if we look at the present setup of DXY, then there is a possibility that DXY US dollar will be going up from here. So in case DXY or US dollar goes up from here, then definitely we will see some good selling on the gold. Therefore, that is also one more reason to initiate a sell position on the gold chart. Just keep in mind, after initiating a sell position, just keep your one eye on the DXY chart as well. So in case there is a sudden downside on the DXY chart, then there will be buying on the gold chart, and your stop loss will be hit. So keep your one eye on the DXY chart as well all the time. If you are initiating a sell position, buy position, doesn't matter, because always remember, if dollar goes up, gold goes down, and if dollar goes down, gold goes up. And right now there is a possibility that US dollar will be going up, as it is standing in support. So let's see. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See ya tomorrow again. Bye bye.